Hello everyone, at the 8th meeting of e-business strategy material courses, we will discuss customer relationship management. This material is related to LO3 and LO4 that are appraise digital marketing and arrange customer experience and service design. The subtopic of this material is conversion marketing. What is the customer relationship management or CRM? Customer relationship management or CRM is an approach to building and sustaining long-term business with customers. According to Wellgam 2017, customer relation management system will help an organization better understand the customer's needs and how to meet those needs while enhancing the organization bottom line. Following are effective CRM strategies to help an organization increase revenue. The first, providing product and services that are exactly what customer wants. The second, offering better customer service. The third, cross-selling products more effectively. The fourth, helping sales staff close deals faster. The fifth, retaining existing customers. And the last, discovering customer new ones. Building long-term relationship with customers is essential for any sustainable business. Integration between customer relationship management activities and direct channel is important. So, for integrating them, we will use customer lifecycle to research marketing activities and meet customer needs for sustainable organization business in long term. And then, what is the customer lifecycle? Customer lifecycle is the stage each customer will pass through in a long-term relationship through acquisition, retention, and extension. The four classic marketing activities of customer relationship management in customer lifecycle are: the first, customer selection. In this stage, we will be identifying different group of customers to develop offering and to target during acquisition, retention, and extension. The second, customer acquisition. In this stage, refers to marketing activities intended to form relationship with new customers, while minimizing acquisition costs and targeting high-value customers. The third, customer retention. In this stage, customer retention refers to the marketing activities undertaken by an organization to keep its existing customer. We will be identifying relevant offerings based on customer individual need and detailed position in the customer lifecycle, such as number of value of purchases. Customer extension. In this stage, customer extension refers as customer development and increasing the range of products that a customer purchases from organization. Following is an example of customer relationship management.